Hey Ryan, come move this red cart that's behind me. My name is Jake Haywood and I'm the warehouse supervisor for Advantage Lumber in Sarasota, Florida. So I need you to take all this epay that's standing up here and all these boards that are standing up and put them back into the rack, okay? Thank you. Basically, I make sure that all the orders are getting pulled correctly, make sure that the count on the orders are correct.
Okay. I want to keep that whole wall epay though.
I pull orders, unload trucks, load trucks. Interact with customers all day. A bunch of different things, really.
All right, one truck down, 2 more to go today.
When I got out of high school, I started working with a contractor for a little while, rebuilding restaurants and houses. It taught me how to read a tape measure and taught me how to, learn about lumber, the sizes of lumber. But I needed something more stable with being able to have something different every day. And that's what I get here.
Tie the end of the rope to the sticker, Ryan.
Every day it's a different challenge, and that's what's great to me. Hey, we got a new shipment of Kumaru in. We got to move all this out so we can put it here. It's really interesting seeing all the different species of wood. There's wood here that I've never even heard of before I worked here, and I work with it on an everyday basis now. We have a couple of different species of wood: tiger wood, ipe, Kumaru, Masaranduba, FSC wood, which is a controlled wood from Brazil that we have to watch very, very carefully to maintain the certified chain of custody to ensure that customers are purchasing eco-friendly and sustainable wood products. My favorite wood, honestly, is the tiger wood in the warehouse, to be honest, because it's so different looking. You can get 10 different boards of tiger wood and they could all look completely different. That's really cool to me, the variances and stuff of the tiger wood. Tiger wood definitely is my favorite for sure. But with all the different varieties of wood, it's just a really interesting place to work in, honestly. But I'm not gonna lie to you, sometimes in the warehouse it's miserable. You're sweating, it's hot and everything, but most of the time, in my opinion at least, majority of the time it's nicer here than it is anything. I mean, it does really suck when it's raining and the humidity's on the rise, but when it's a nice day out, there's no clouds in the sky, and there's a nice breeze, sometimes I'll just look and be like, wow, this is really great that we get to work here, you know what I mean? Instead of working in the snow or something like up north, I couldn't do that. I'm a Florida boy, I couldn't do that. But I just couldn't see myself living anywhere else. And I've got a job I love, I really do. My name is Jake Haywood, and I work for Advantage Lumber.